Okay, so this is the final adjustments have been done, and we have beautiful flow all the way down now to the very bottom. I'm very happy with this, extremely happy. So there's more rocks been placed. We've sealed up the sides now. So we just have to finish that area right there. Cover that up. The walkway is now, the flagstone walkway is also in place now as well. There's irrigation line here for some plants that are going to be put on the side. And then of course that's where the benches are going to go. They're going to be higher, they're just kind of sitting there right now. But there it is, almost complete.